Today, the National Executive Committee, which is the third eye decision body of our party, held meeting in the morning, and it was also followed up by meeting of the National Council, which is the second high decision body of our party. Highlights from today's meeting are: one, the party discussed extensively on the outstanding parliamentary results of Abdulrahman, and as a party, through the direction and decision by the National Council, we express our dissatisfaction by the conduct of the Ghana Police Service for failing to provide security for the Electoral Commission to conclude the outstanding 3 police stations at Abdulrahman. The party had earlier on written letter to the Electoral Commission and the Ghana Police Service to explain to us why we have not been able, or they have not been able to complete the collation of results at Abdulrahman. From the Electoral Commission's response, they categorically stated that they are ready to finish the collation of the outstanding 3 polling stations at Abdulrahman, and therefore all that they need and require is for the Ghana Police Service to provide security for them to finish the collation. As you all know, in several times that the Electoral Commission has tried to finish the collation, they have tasked who besiege their offices and cause distraction, and thereby preventing them from completing the collation. The Ghana Police Service, in their response to our letter, raised an issue that they have received a letter from the NDC indicating that there is a pending issue or matter before the Supreme Court, and that in their attempt to provide security, they will be in contempt of the Supreme Court. But again, the Electoral Commission response has been that there's no issue pending before the Supreme Court to warrant the Ghana Police Service to make that point, that because of that issue, they are unable to provide security. And the New Patriotic Party also shared the same position. Was on record, there is no issue before the Supreme Court with respect to Abdulrahman. The only issue that is there is the declaration that was made, or the pronouncement that was made by the High Court, that the Electoral Commission should complete the collation of Abdulrahman constituency parliamentary election. So the explanation by the Ghana Police Service that it is relying on the Attorney General to give advice is neither here nor there. By an attempt by the NDC government, the Ghana Police Service and the Attorney General just delay or frustrate or to prevent the Electoral Commission from completing the exercise, because they know that they didn't win Abdulrahman constituency presidential and parliamentary election. Indeed, the questions are posed to the media. Imagine if the NDC had genuinely won Abdulrahman constituency elections, wouldn't they have asked the Ghana Police Service to provide security for the Electoral Commission to complete this election? So for us in the New Patriotic Party, it's a clear tactics and games by the Ghana Police Service just to prevent the Electoral Commission from going ahead to declare the result. But we are reasonable as a political party, and will take any action, legal action, to make sure that the right is done and for the Electoral Commission to complete the collation of the law of Abdulrahman constituency. Again, another item that was discussed both at NEC and National Council had to do with the Patriotic Institute, what we refer to as the party school School that we intend to launch on the 25th of June. The committee came to brief the National Council on where they are going to, and I'm happy to say that we are on course as a political party to launch our party school on June 2025, or June 25, 2025. The committee, that is National Executive Committee and the National Council, also received reports from the Amendment Committee chaired by Minister Frank Davis, or Lawyer Frank Davis. And in the words of the committee, they received over 300 proposals from the rank and file sympathizers of our party. And they briefed the National Council on where they got into and the key areas that the National Council had to take a decision on. With respect to the call for expansion of our electoral college, indeed the committee spoke about it. And again, that decision as to the number of expansion or the expansion level will be determined at the delegate conference scheduled to take place in July. The committee also spoke about the time for our presidential primaries. And again, the committee agreed that that decision does not warrant amendment of our constitution. But in light of the spirit and letter of Article 13 of the NPP Constitution, that power is good with National Council to make that decision. And National Council today also made the decision that the date for our presidential primaries is set for January 31st, 2026. That will be the days that we shall hold our presidential primaries. Because there is going to be a proposal or motion for amendment to our constitution, a committee, or what we refer to as a planning committee, has been put in place by National Council to prepare and also implement directives that has been given to them for us to have a successful delegate conference to amend our constitution, the provision that has been amended. The chairman for the committee is Honorable Joseph Osei Owusu, former Member of Parliament for Bekwai, as chairman. Henry Nanawache, the national organizer, is the vice chairman for the committee. Honorable Jerry Ahmed, Secretary Deputy Whip, Minority Whip, is also a member of the committee. The Greater Accra Regional Chairman Divine Ogobo Utu is also a member of the committee. The Deputy General Secretary Haruna Mohammed is the secretary to the planning committee. Honorable Abna Osei Asare is also a member of the committee. The National Treasurer, Dr. Charles Abna, is a member of the committee. The Deputy National Organizer, Madam Safia Mohammed, is a member of the committee. And Mustafa Salam, the National Organizer, or Salam Mustafa, is also a member of the planning committee. So it's a 9-member committee to see to the planning of the delegate conference that is scheduled for July 19th. The National Council also took a serious note on the issue of self-discipline in the party. And again, the party takes very seriously issue of discipline and and something that we are not prepared to rely on our determination to instill discipline in the party. Certain individuals were forcing to leave about some utterances that they are making in the social media, on radio, and TV stations. And the chairman of the occasion flew in to plead on behalf of those individuals and requested National Council to give them at least the last chance. The result of National Council, they accepted the plea from the chairman of the occasion, and rather caution them. We call on our members that at least they must show respect to our party, they must show respect to personalities in our party, they must show respect to leadership in our party. We know that we are a democratic party, everyone has the right to express his or her view, but it must be done within the confinement of our constitution. And they must also avail their mind to Article 3, which talks about duties of members of our party. So these are the critical issues that took place at NEC and National Council respectively. Thank you very much.
Totally.
National Executive Committee and the National Council ACI. Now, and normal, we are now possible, and America to be in their own. In time, National Council, the second highest decision making Emma, the Patriotic Party, Emma, of the Panov, parliamentary elections was Asana National Council, and said, Ghana Police Service, Alpha said, Wapaye, or Mumwa, Emma Electoral Commission, 18 years of a plan, I want to Patriotic Party, the whole show, and I also end your post. This said, Electoral Commission, our policy police station results do not now have to be enough. The other 3 police stations, now Electoral Commission to read them. The sounds are Electoral Commission come back from January up to January and 18 Ambassador. And my party to social data and command Electoral Commission. It was all said, then the person 3 police stations are Electoral Commission 8 million. In my Electoral Commission, and the prayer and said, all the way around said, that 3 police stations are always be high police. Let's say, a very organized social police. Then for every office, only the officer normality, among 3 days are 3 police stations. Now, one general police was said, all bank work said they are with 3 days are 3 police stations. As you start your data or Ghana Police, Ghana Police Service, as someone or more and said, NDC forces accept the Supreme Court. And so, what now, or yes, or mobile report, letter commission back or message for court. And so, or Ghana Police Service forces or more authority general or one advice. Yeah, said I said, and that Supreme Court, and he does the donations have been police. It says, every hour Supreme Court at 18 Ghana Police for every hour of the day. Therefore, there says, say, every survive as a Ghana Police process, not Papa or Emma, Electoral Commission for Emma to be over. This said, all said, all my people, no one can be and that's all. almost bring up a police stations now the some person is a job for the enemies and every and the police and we never go to police stations. I said the enemies is over our never they say Sibuka any Papayo and Ghana service or we say here and the Mano is in Casas and yet people and say that was and yes about yes and the Mano letter commission Ghana police for family you stand on we have to now we have 225 every year party very party school the balance the poor who shares are who to do now so and the master and the job of the national council for hours. Some people are 225 party the party school the balance we have committee from David lawyer and that said the party confusion the Secretary of my party now the area the accommodations of nearby and accommodations of nearby and then committee to ask them party said or maybe answer. Say expansion. Our electoral president, although they don't have power, the command of four councils, former MPs, former commissioners, former MPs, former this is not power. Emma almost said, and the Lord was also a presidential branch. I died in presidential branch. But we see Emma said, there were national councils, the national council, and they would capture that with my presidential branch. The last the national council entrance the apple said January 31st, 2026, passed the very presidential primaries. The party, the national council, and the about committee now, okay, now really, and American constitution. As no idea to say, July 19, as no Indonesia, now American PIC, or the corporation, as no African now, and I'm saying, a year Congress and party, Republican about 60 pages. Committee National Council acting in the Bois, over share to get the Congress, the Council as the United States. The Committee National Council, a honorable you the same also. I said that I don't know the right constituency on the chairman. And Apache, national organizer, and vice chairman. Honorable Jerry Ahmed, seated deputy minority bill, also be a member. Honorable chairman Dubai Otu, whom is a car, chairman, Haruna Mohammed, deputy general secretary, or the secretary of the senior. Honorable Abraham Hussein Asare, a member of the committee. National Treasurer, Robert Salvador, Madam Safia Mohammed, Deputy National Organizer, and Salam Mustafa, National Organizer. Only the one is coming to the area, the executive conference, the Party SRK, discipline master, the National Council, said the desire of so, Castle, I don't know, and not be a part of Africa, or pass
no national council ni demo and the Conformia set by national council national council demo discipline committee now if you have to pay for the donor you for the concept young person sample for the casa say they are no better than an old woman to know and then to